Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into Temu with Google or Apple ID safely. If you don't want to remember another password, logging in with your Google account or Apple account quick and secure if done right. First of all, open the Temu app on your iPhone and then tap sign in. Next, what you're gonna do is tap either continue with Google or continue with Apple depending on your preferences. Next, if you choose Google, select your Google account and confirm the sign in. If you choose Apple, tap continue, then select hide my email if you want extra privacy. Then authenticate with Face ID or your password. Temu will link your account automatically and log you in without needing a separate password. Privacy tip, always make sure you are using the official Google or Apple login pop-up inside the Temu app. Don't enter your credentials on third-party pages or fake pop-ups. Quick fix: if the login button does not work, close the Temu app, restart your iPhone and try again. If it still fails, delete and reinstall the app from App Store to reset the login flow. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.